Rajeshwari Dhutre. I am from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar in Maharashtra. I have completed my bachelor degree in BSc Computer Science from Pune University in the year 2025. After my graduation, I was looking for a job opportunity and one of my friends suggested Evision Technologies. It is an IT recruitment and consulting company. I joined Evision Technologies as a full-time IT internship. During the internship, I gained hands-on experience and technical skills such as CCNA, Windows Administration, Windows Server, and ITIL. The training of membership and receive were very supportive. My trainer and manager guide me step by step, which helped me build confidence and improve my technical knowledge. Only because of support of Evision Technosert, I got placed through Infinite Computer Solution with client IBM and end client Munition Indian Limited with good package. It is only possible because of their excellent training, proper guidance and placement support. It is a great platform for everyone to build their career in the IT industry. Thank you Vision Technosol and team. Thank you so much.